We're just in Santo Domingo biking today, so we're going to be exploring the old town and some of the sites. We have the state parliament building here, so stick around and we'll show you San Juan. Hi, I'm just at the bike rental place just outside of the castle, so you can just see it over there. I've rented it for 3 hours for $18. We're just having some technical issues because these bikes don't have brakes. It's reverse pedal to brake, which is unnatural because it's not how I'm used to cycling. So we're just figuring out alternate bikes. Heading out now, just leaving the castle over there. And we'll try and get into this bike lane. This car's coming. Okay, this green is supposed to be a bike lane. So this is Plaza Colon. This reverse brake is just confusing. There's no brakes on the handlebars, it's reverse brake only. So let me just get around, and then there'll be a bike. Okay, now I have a bike lane because it's reverse brake. It's too much. Okay, I came here yesterday. There's a couple of buildings that are be here. It's nice and breezy again. So just over there is the casino. Then we're going to drive by a couple of buildings. Just passing by the castle now. This, I believe, is the Olympic House, which was built in 1913, I guess. There's descriptions outside the buildings. If you see when I was walking around yesterday, I narrated some of that stuff. Next is an art gallery. Another library, and then Casa Spain. Okay, we're just passing Casa España to the left. So, and then we're coming up to the state capitol building. Okay, this is the state capitol building. Just leaving the state capitol building now. There's lots of tour groups there. Remember to check out my channel for some of my other biking videos. I have Oslo, Toronto, Halifax, and I'll be adding more videos. And then my bike blog also in the links below. Places like Korea, Japan, Thailand, Zagreb, Budapest, Reykjavik, so lots of biking adventures. Just have these two churches in the distance back there. I just stopped for a photo. So there is some history on them, but I'm not reading them and I'm not going inside them. There's more cyclists just coming up now. We had to sort of cross to get onto the other side of the road. There is this information marker on the bike trail. So I'm going to Condado, which it says to turn left. With regular traffic now. They're excited to be here. Okay, just made a stop at these little beaches and we're just gonna start cycling again. Just to orient myself, so I came across Ashford Avenue, which is the bridge. This map is on its own map now, so I'm on this map. Now the wind is blowing. So I've come too far, I'm on Condado Avenue, I have to go down and back to the yellow line to get back to the other side of this lake to head back to the old town. We're just the other side of the lake now. The bike trail doesn't loop around and there's lots of trees covering it here, so you can't really see inside too clearly. Again, so we're on the south side of the lake here. We had to come around. The trail doesn't go around, so I had to kind of come through city streets to navigate my way back. And there's lots of trees all the way along, so you can't really see inside, but there's people paddleboarding and kayaking. That north side are all hotels, with and then the other side is the beach. Okay, so you have a clearer view over here. So over there is, you can just see the white church in the distance there. San Juan is on its own island. We came across this bridge here, and then we biked along the north side. The opposite side of that are beachfront hotels. And the trail didn't loop around, so I had to navigate my way through streets. And there's lots of trees and bushes along, so you can't really bike along the waterfront, even though we are. And as you can see, I guess from the hotels they do lots of recreational activities, kayaking, paddleboarding. So there's stuff to do on this side outside of the old town. We come full circle, we just did a loop around this lake here. It's very windy, which is good because it's crazy, but it's giving a lot of resistance as well. Okay, so we're just going back to San Juan, the historical district, to see more of the castle from the old town. Okay, so we're just back on the parallel one-way north-south street. So we came along this route, and we were supposed to curve around to go back the other way, which is what we're going to do now. We just detoured to go to the other island. Can you feel the wind? Very windy. And remember again, there's more biking videos on my channel from Oslo, Toronto, Halifax. I'll be adding more videos as I go to Paris, Rotterdam, Kinderdijk in the Netherlands, so there's more to come. And the bike blog in the links below. Before I was making videos, there's Zagreb, Reykjavik, Budapest, Korea, Japan, Taiwan, Cambodia, lots of things in there, so and I'll be adding more. As well, there's the metro blogs, and there's lots of other travel blogs and things to see. Just had to scout out the bus station for tomorrow to get back to the airport. Now I'm just going back along the waterfront. We're just at the San Juan gate over here. That's where the royal dignitaries would come through. And this continues, it hugs the entire perimeter of the Citadel. Okay, let's just explain to you on the map where those people are. So, you're here, and it does the entire perimeter of the outside, and it will come back to the second Citadel, which is where we rented the bike from. There's Plaza Colon, Avenue San Francisco, where I'm staying. So we're going to do a full loop round and return the bike. Coming into more of the Citadel. And officially you are not allowed to ride your bike. This is a walking trail only, so I'm going at a walking pace. Again, just more of the city walls in reverse over there. Just catch my breath, I just had to walk it up all these stairs down here, all the way back down. It's like a jungle, so if you are going to walk this, give yourself extra time. And I think that's the end, because I can't do this anymore. So apparently this is a dead end and I have to go back now and find a way. Stuck. Okay, don't bring your bike here. Let's come up here. Go down here now. Up there. Okay. Okay, I don't know where I am. I just want to get out now. Okay, that's the main bridge to walk into the Citadel, so I'm just getting out now once I get on ground level. I'm actually trapped inside the moat, so I still have to climb up the last staircase to get out the moat. Never ever do that again. So. This reverse braking is terrible. It's quite dangerous in these streets where you have to decelerate. I don't know who invented reverse brakes, that's ridiculous. We're stuck in this one-way traffic jam. Waiting back. Okay. She's waiting for me as well. Thanks for watching my Puerto Rico biking video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and the rest of my journey is Puerto Rico, San Juan, and Santo Domingo.